To ensure your Facebook profile remains secure across different regions, follow these steps. Begin by accessing your device's Play Store. Search for and install the Turbo VPN app. After installation, open the app and tap to connect. Select your desired location, such as the United States, from the available options. Once connected, minimize the VPN app. Long press on your Facebook app icon and select App Info. Tap on Force Stop and confirm with OK. Next, navigate to Storage and clear both cache and storage. This process will log you out of your Facebook account. Reopen the Facebook app and log back in. Ensure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings followed by Profile Settings. Locate the Profile Locking option and tap on it. Follow the prompts to lock your profile. Your Facebook profile is now secured. That's it. You've successfully locked your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching.